we'll start from?
We'll start for this small parlor.
Okay.
This one all these ones na light. This one wey dey here so na run the light to the color.
Okay, this one.
This one dey run so.
Okay, left for here.
Run the light, which is profile light.
Okay, left for here. Take am.
Yes.
Okay.
This one na run the light.
Wow, now how you call a profile?
Profile light.
Okay.
So na run the light to see the color. The reason why I dey like this one be say POP people will come now, they'll come do screening. If they wan do the painting of the house, they don do screening now. So na only the light now you go call.
Okay, now only the light you go call the see.
This one, the difference of this one be say this one get sensor.
Okay.
You get, so if you don honor for the main switch, now from here you call this search how you wan make you go, whether you wan make it run well, you wan make not to go far, make you low. Now from here, that's how.
Okay, now there.
Okay, different colors.
Okay, now very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how this one I run past. This one and this one you take the selector. You want make it overrun just like that.
Okay, now that switch now to the selector. Whether you want me run well or want me to slow.
To be slow.
Okay.
So the switch. If you want me to stand still, may not run. May you just stand still. And this switch you see this stay down.
Okay, see. Okay, so use that switch.
You see use this switch to control.
What about this one?
Yes.
Wait, this
so I'm used to do this one. This one na TV. Na just TV. Wey I take do am before. Na just normal tape light. Now they just put. So when I say, I tell the man say no dey okay. Okay, so I come buy this profile. Take maintenance to do like this way dey okay. But the same switch, this one, I want switch now. They still dey control them.
Okay, one switch.
Yes. Then all these ones are the small light. So
for the POP.
For the POP, yes.
This AD light, and this one color.
Yes, and this one color light just there.
Okay.
But the POP not to get design. This one wall light.
Okay.
This one wall light. Then this one na socket.
This one na socket.
This one na artwork. This one still get light on the own.
Okay. Okay, so
this one na just artwork. Na just design and I do. Then we'll come here. This one the master's room.
Okay, this one is the master.
Yeah. Then all these ones are lights.
Tell me how to busy.
Then here are the light.
What tell me of that music?
All these ones are the decoration of the light.
Law of the music.
And the decoration of these ones. This one are the bed light. Bed light. Then inside the toilet you still get some of the heater, some are socket for shaving. Each socket is there for jacuzzi.
This socket?
Yes, for the mirror. One socket is there for jacuzzi. Okay. This one.
One socket is there?
Yes,
okay, this one
the light and the
POP lights.
Yes, tape light. All this one are small dropping lights. So now here big. Then after here wardrobe.
Oh.
Okay. Wardrobe.
So after here?
Then after here. Then here. Then after here, then here. Okay, so that's another light.
Yeah, let's see POP light.
Yeah, that's a POP light. So then I this thing the toilet, viscous toilet.
Okay, viscous toilet. Okay, from here.
And now if we go around, we'll check this other side for us. Then here na the small parlor. Here na the dining. I mean, this place na the dining. Then here na tape light. Then this one na fire light. Then after then come this dining. Because of the gen, for the gen they carry load. So we have to check out one. So this one has small lights, then those ones also. So now what the wall light. Then this one has switch to that AC. Yes. Then why this one has radio? This one has radio. So this radio so I mean do this connection by myself. If you see now, if you use play music, you still get your own music when follow and come. So that's example here. So now Bluetooth they'll take play the music now. So connect from with your Bluetooth there, then you see something. You see now.
Okay. They play music.
So this one of the speaker.
Where is the speaker?
So I give us small volume.
Wow.
So now one of the speaker.
Okay.
Then one of the speakers still dey kitchen here. One of the speakers still dey for this kitchen.
Wow. They play music.
Play music very well. So we'll still come back to this kitchen then.
Okay.
This one now, the function of this one, how to say, this one get YouTube. See, get many functions. If you just be like phone, you be like Android phone. So if you do anything, if you want stream for YouTube, Facebook, everything there. Even get Wi-Fi, if you connect your hotspot, and even get Play Store. So anything you want to do, there memory card. If you use with memory card, if you use with Bluetooth, everything you just find all there inside this place. So I just want to use there like this now, and better money.
Okay. Like this work when you do here, the piping of the house, now you pipe.
No, they're not pipe before.
Okay, because I was saying correction there. Yes. Okay, they do all this correction.
Yeah, now we can crack the wall.
Okay.
Just install it here. So then here now from the kitchen. So this place is the kitchen. You see, this one's on the kitchen. Then how the kitchen light one because of the gen. So this one are white and white. These are all the kitchen there. These are the light and the speaker. With this one for the kitchen also. So then all these ones now light. The other light are there. Then this one.
Okay.
This one, this light. So I mean, just yeah, this one just to give the kitchen beauty.
Okay, beauty.
Yes. Then this one so, and here be switch. If you want this one now, the sun has the thing down.
Let's after the gen.
No, this one not to get. No, not go on the gen.
Okay.
So like this one, now if you press on now, the power go on.
Okay.
Yes, so now you that one. Then after that, you still get some dropping light for outside here.
Dropping light.
So get light and every other thing here.
Okay.
So now
from the phone to carry me. Okay.
A socket for that stand the fridge. So now this place. Then after that, we're going to have the main parlor.
You got a main parlor?
Yes.
Wow.
So now the main parlor. So this light, this one are off white and off white. So this one are white and off white. Then you still get some lights here. See, this is the main parlor. So this one is still different. So these are all these decorations are wood this design.
Light here.
Yes. Also, now the TV console people.
Okay, so these are
so inside here.
TV stand.
Yes.
Okay, what on the
yes, once the data side. So all this design, I won't make plans of it because they must say like light.
Okay.
So I say I should put we still put other light in there. So maybe say for make sense. So then outside here, you still get this dropping light, still get this one there, then one other light outside.
Okay.
Socket still the ground there, this the one sit down for outside.
Socket the ground.
Yes. Then yes.
And the socket japa everywhere.
Japa everywhere. So that's so yours.
Okay.
That's how we design now. Then after then another room there. Okay, another room there. Those are all the lighting design. Then this one is the toilet.
Okay.
So all these heater now will not go fit on there because of the gen.
Okay. Wow.
Then the one on the socket for
this. Okay.
Yes. The difference of all this one, you see all this mirror now will not fit fix there. So I say we remove them. Normally this socket, are here supposed to.
Yes.
So this mirror now, if they put on here, they already kill this socket.
It go kill.
That's where they face their this thing. They already kill them. So now make us remove the mirror keep here. So not really know how they want to arrange that particular spot.
All this one are the switches.
All this one are the switches. Yes, this one are switches for bed. This one particular na AC switch from all this AC here. This one has another socket in case you do on top of bed. Then this one I use the tape light too.
Okay.
This one are socket. This one are for television. This one are for normal TV. Another socket still there. Still do that place. So Then here now the passage.
Wow. How did I hear the passage?
Yes.
Okay.
And the passage and they drop the light to that side. They're not here now. See another light. So the set when they yesterday the other one.
Okay.
Down for the AC socket, then another socket here.
Okay.
And these are switches.
What of here?
Yes, another room there. This one is your simple room.
Okay.
So you just go. You still get socket for there. You still get socket for here. You still get for near top of the bed.
Because this here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then other room, then this one. This one is just one room. But this one is toilet on his own. This one is toilet on his own.
It's a light.
It's the toilet on his own. Yeah, that is the shower. Oh, not fear all those things. Because of the gym.
Because of the socket.
Yes, socket still there also.
Here another.
You know another room again.
Wow.
Yes. See another room. Wow. Now see another room. Still the same design. That is for the socket there. Still the same. Still get AC there. She's this one, the socket top of bed. And this one for off and on the light. And still have another socket here.
Okay.
So those are all the
What do you inside here?
yes.
Okay, at the outside with the goes on.
Yes, we fish the outside now. So those ones now. The man buy all those ones. Where we go pass go outside now.
Okay.
All the fence lights.
And one like here. Okay. Tell us. What shall I show us?
So all these ones are just the surrounding lights, the switches.
Okay, surrounding light.
Yes.
Okay, now they also.
Yes, all these ones are just the fence light.
Okay, I will not be part because of
Some
the.
of the car park spots.
I said we will not be part because of the.
No, not the pass.
German floor when they do. Wow. Okay, now you run there.
Yes, you are around like that.
Okay.
Because of the gen now, the noise is.
The noise too much.
Yes.
Go off the surrounding light.
On this one.
So my people of the electrical man, they'll take me around. Let's do electrical installation of fittings. And it go through with the work. So okay, what you done? When do you help me back down? Okay, what you done?
That is the best electrical venture.
That's the best electrical venture.
Yes.
Your name particularly.
Okay. Benovia Sazoa.
Benovia Sazoa is the best electrical venture.
Yes.
So let me talk to you so many now. So how the person contact you, okay?
I try to talk to you, Shane. Try to talk to you.
Okay, through a real talk show.
Yes.
So what you gonna tell the person?
Tell the person to say God go bless am, or give am more happiness to enjoy wetin he don spend money for. Amen.
So like how many weeks take you to do this installation of lighting fittings?
Let us say 1 week.
1 week.
Yes.
Okay, but I say like you still do amendment here.
Yes. So amendment there, we do amendment here.
Wow.
Still do some touch amendment.
Okay.
So the other things where we still do join here, like the pressure pump cannot fit go there because of
the gen.
And
they say mama dey complain us and say the gen.
So for peace to reign, so now you always know Sunday like
Sunday we supposed to follow and no say they work to work.
Yes.
Nothing go magic stamping wetin they do.
So also show the way they on the pressure pump, the control switch and the change over. So all those things supposed to show them all those ones, but we not fit do all those ones now.
Okay.
We get but the thing that we see, we 3 things that we install for this house. we install the radio, which is the Bluetooth radio.
That one they play us now.
They play us now. Now na for 2 speakers. Then they see for 4, then they see for 6, they see for 8. Then we still install this profile light and this one. And all those things are separate amount. No be say I don give you work, then you say come tell me say you wan do profile light, because you say don tell me say make I come work for you, profile light go come join. So anything at all when you need, apart from fittings, something another kind of job, so we always have a negotiation.
Okay.
So like this one now we negotiate with, like the radio we still negotiate.
Okay, now tell us total cost, because you know you have to do this everything here.
Na him buy the fittings by himself.
Okay, then by the fittings.
Yes, by himself.
Okay, your labor and the extra something we call
the wiring and the fittings na 450 I take from him.
Okay, for your labor, where to do the work here.
Yes, 450.
Okay, 450. So you write with all the fittings, you write them from me, go buy them.
Yes, I come buy, but instead get to your place when you want buy them.
Okay.
So then the radio na 450 for that 2 speaker. Okay. Then the profile 200. But all those things na just based on say na him. So already dey, you don't even would still know. So I make all those things just dey lesser like that.
Okay. So you call phone number when I send Electrician.
So 07060456653.
On that number there?
Yes, 08165605935.
My people are Christian for the time to watch this video.